Channel. On today's video I'll be reviewing this Cash Out Friday, okay, and I'll be telling you guys the truth about this particular app. So I opened this. I was able to create this account um 4 days ago. Yeah, 4 days ago, and as you can see here, I've gotten 62 dollars. Okay. Okay, so this particular website, Cash Out Friday, once you register, they're going to give you $25 for registering. Okay, and some people are going to also be getting $30 for register. I don't know if it's because of the country difference or I don't know, but to me, when I registered, I was given $30 for signing up. I can see it here, bonus for bonus earning and total earning. Okay, so for this app, I want to believe that this app doesn't work. It's a scam. It's not legit, and I won't advise you guys to sign up this to waste your time, using this app. um is a total waste of time. Okay, it's total. So if you have this Cash Out Friday on your phone, I would advise you delete it. Yeah, I advise you delete it because I mean, no site want to pay you for want to pay you $10 for just single task. I mean, just 2 minutes task, and you are paid $10. I mean, no site will want to do that. I mean, how did they get their own profit? Okay, how did they get that? Is the first thing you should be thinking. How do they get their profit? So I don't believe this app is legit. Okay, so this app here, that will give you a personal account manager that you can chat with on Skype. Though I've tried chatting with their manager on Skype, and um the response were like, I have to wait for 2 days for response. And here you can see people that cash out payment proof, but I will tell you the truth, these things are scam. Okay, they are scam. You can still go ahead and check it out, but it does not worth your time, it does not worth your subscription, man. You just have to let it go. Okay, for those of you that have it on your phone, please delete it immediately. Okay, delete it immediately. This app is not legit. For me, it's not legit. They're not going to pay you a dime. Okay, and you just waste your time and you get paid. So let me quickly show you. You can as well check if by any way that I've paid you. Please leave a comment below and screenshot it for me. Let me see. Now if I go to the payment option here, as you can see payment, and if I want to cash out, they're going to give me options. Okay, they're going to give me options. Let's say here clicks. I'm going to have up to 15 clicks. As you can see here, I have 32 clicks, and this task I've performed like 10 tasks, and the task is not even reading. Okay, I've performed like 10 tasks on this website and he's not reading at all. And also the referral, I've been able to refer up to 7 people and is not also reading. The social submission, I have sent this link to my Facebook page, to my TikTok page, and is not even counting. Okay, so my final conclusion is, guys, this site is not legit. Don't waste your time, don't waste your effort, your energy, your subscription trying to make money with this app. So if you are looking for a genuine way to make money, stick to my videos, subscribe to my channel, and like my videos, so whenever I upload videos you'll be notified immediately. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy. Please, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my videos, okay, to my channel. Click on the notification bell. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.